Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Welcome back muli sa ating live. We are here at Colegio San Agustin, Makati para na naman tunghayan ng kapanapanabik na laban sa ating mini 2013 division ng ating PAIA Basketball League 2025. This is the battle between the home team, the Colegio de San Agustin, versus our very own the De La Salle Zobel. Okay, dito tayo sa bahay ng San Agustin or CSA. Ayan, sa aking kaliwa ang mga nakapula, ang home team, at ang ating kanan naman ang syempre ang our very own the De La Salle Zobel. Ayan, maraming pong salamat for this opportunity naman muli na i-cover ang inyong mga laban dito sa PAIA League. Good luck, boys. Ayan, may tayo magsisimula na sa ating laban. Parang makuga po ata. Ay, wala akong bumaba. Mauga dito. Hindi, pag nagkaka-drabo. Hindi, pero sige, try natin mamaya. Tanong na natin.
Hindi, nagbago ng pag-earthquake.
Kaya na pag-intense yung laban.
Earthquake eh.
Hey, sir. Rep. Shout out. Morning. Okay. Okay. Let the battle begin. Good luck, boys. Colegio San Agustin versus our very own the De La Salle Zubel. Good luck, boys. Here we go, our tip-off. Uy, tayo sa kabila. Let's go. Bola natin. Aceveda to Almeida. Kick out from elbow to Rui. No good. What a save. Uy. There's a foul. Red ball. Oh. Ayan na ang pressure defense nating La Salle Zubel. Hindi ka na magawan. Same ball pa rin. Oh, steal by Jake. Almeida. First basket mula kay Almeida. Go. Double team. Number 28 nakasagot ang CSA. Number 7. Number 7, top of the key, short, out of bounds. There we go, bola rito. CSA. Steal by Aceveda. Pass to number 10. Easy 2 points. Why Puno. Another steal. Almeida. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Ayun ang arrow defense ng ating La Salle Zubel. Ayun na ang double team. Oh, steal by number 8. Pass to Puno, and there's the basket. Time out, Colegio San Agustin. Fisher scores 8-2 in favor of our De La Salle Zubel.
8-2.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Bola ng CSA. Screen move, no good. Bola ng CSA. Almeida with the save, sayang. Hindi nga natin tumama. Number 11. Spin. Oh, steal by Aceveda. Number 8. Short. Rebound ng CSA. Number 28. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Bola na ang ating De La Salle Isabel. Time remaining 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Aceveda, pass to Almeida. Almeida, strong drive, no good. Rebound again. Wala. Rebound. Steal by Almeida. Kick out. Pass to Aceveda from top of the key. Setting on the screen. What a nice Hesse floater. Short. Rebound again by Almeida. No good. Puno sa kabila and one. Basket count and one by Puno for 3-point play on the jersey number 10. Bonus shot, wala. Rebound, makukuha ng CSA. And the last touch, same ball. De La Salle Isabel basketball. Number 8. Nasa corner. Pass to Almeida from elbow. No good. Rebound. And out of bounds. Bola na ang ating La Salle Isabel. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Nakuha ng CSA. Ay na. Outlet pass. Number 11. Steal by Aceveda. Aceveda to number 8. Pass to Puno. Back to Aceveda. Setting on the play. Aceveda to Puno. Puno, bounce pass to number 8. What a nice play by jersey number 8. Ayan na ang CSA. Number 11, floater. No good. And out of bounds. Substitution, second 5. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Bola ng CSA. Number 11, no good. Rebound by number 34. Pass to number 11. Here we go. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Oh, too strong. And out of bounds. Bola dito ng CSA. 3 minutes and 57 seconds sa ating first quarter. Ayun na, man-to-man defense agad ang pinapakita ng second unit ng ating La Salle Isabel. Oh, steal! But there's a foul. Good defense para kay Maddox. Maddox to number 11. Back to Maddox from corner for 3. Yes! Para sa 3. Ay, Maddox. Party yan. Ay na, triple team agad. Oh, munti ka na magawan, but there's a foul. Oh, sorry. That's 8 seconds violation. Time remaining 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Maddox binigay sa corner for 3. Yes, sir. Is it a 3 points ba? 2 points lang daw po, sabi ng ating official. Number 28. Side step. Blocked by number 34. Naka-recover ang CSA from elbow 3. No good. Oopsie, last touch. Ang ating big man. Ayan na ang big man din ng CSA, number 18. Si Yoshi. Ayan na ang tapatan ng big man sa loob. Number 11, spin, and there's a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Bonus 2 shots by jersey number 11 from CSA. First shot is good. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pinasa sa corner. Oopsie. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Isabel. Number 11. Pass number 12. Bounce pass. Number 3. Basket is good. Ayan na ang triple double team. Munti ka na makagawan. Number 1. Oy, bad pass. Naka-recover. Spin. Too strong. Rebound. Number 17. Number 11. What a save. Last touch. Same ball tayo. Time out. De La Salle Isabel. Official score is 19-3 in favor of our De La Salle Isabel. With the time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds. Malayo. Di, malayo po. back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds. Maddox looking for his teammate. Pass pa kanila big man sa loob. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Number 11. Pass number 1. Still. Makakuha ba? Nakakuha na ng De La Salle. Number 11. Oh, still number 11. Still again. Bounce pass. What a pass! To jersey number 12. Oh, still number 12 again. And there's a foul. Grabe. Small but terrible si number 11. Ganda rin ang kanyang pinakita. Na bounce pass sa loob. That's Ramirez. 2 shots para kay Ramirez. First shot, no good. Time remaining, last 49 seconds. Ramirez. Basket. 22-3. Hindi natin napasok kanina. Ang shoot doon. Oh, munti ka na mag-aawa ni Ramirez. Ayan na. Number 28 naka-recover. Ayan na ang double team. Asprek for 3. In and out. Rebound. Steal by number 11. Number 11. Basket. Last 19 seconds. Official po tayo. Last 12 seconds. Maddox. Oh, nakalusot. What a nice shot by Maddox. Parian. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 24-5. Okay, second quarter tayo. Muli, shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. Magandang umaga po. This is the Pile League 2025 sa ating mini 2013 division. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. 24-5. Game ako ng 1 PM mamaya. Jaden Abetas. Pero baka next game po, makabisita ako dyan sa Barangay West Crame. And shoutout po, good morning Sir Benedicto Kyoto. Sa ating Xavier School parents. Ayan, good morning po Sir Benedicto. Okay, second quarter. Let's go. Number 1. Nasa loob. Take a shot. Basket. Number 31. Make it. Block there. Rebound by number 1. Number 11. Number 11, reverse layup, no good. Wala. Rebound by number 30. Out of bounds.
3 seconds, bago ko ulit. Iggy, 19 seconds. Kami tagas.
Let's go, number 31, setting on the play. Gets that read, no good. Rebound by number 28. Spin, kick out. Pass to number 31. Binigay sa kanan. Number 30 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Ayun ang CSA. Good defense para sa Lasal. Ayun na, steal. Number 31 all the way. Basket is good. Ayan na. Ang CSA nakatawid. Looking for his teammate. Pass number 11. Side step. Oy, wala. Rebound by number 34. Steal. Number 1. Bounce pass. Steal. Ng Isabel. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Number 31. Basket na naman. Back-to-back basket para kay jersey number 31. Another steal. Nagagawan. That's Cruz. And that's a jump ball. Timeout. CSA. With official score 28-7. Time remaining 7 minutes and 48 seconds. Back to the ball game. Wala rito na ang ating Dela Salzabel. Cruz for 3, short, rebound, and 1. Basket count and 1 para kay Aklan. Jersey number 28. One shot, swak na swak para kay Aklan. 31-7. Uy, munti ka na maagawan na, number 31. Let's go. Ayan na, pressure defense, number 28. Still, Boy Aklan. And outside. Casta. Pass to Cruz. Na sa loob, big man, blocked by number 11. Oy! Wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Oy! Wala tawag. Ating refer doon. Good. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng CSA. Number 1 to number 13. Bad pass. Bola rito ng ating Dela Salzabel. Let's go. Gets the three! Yes, sir! By jersey number 14 naman ang nagpapakitang gilas. Ayan na. Oy, bad pass. Number 11, steal by Aklan. Nakaka-recover. Oh, there's the foul. Number 34. Two shots para kay number 11 of CSA. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 37-8. From elbow 3, no good. Rebound. Number 14, no good. Rebound ng CSA. Number 11. Ayan na, floater, wala. Rebound by number 1. Asprek for 3. Yoo! Nakabawi dun. Number 34 sa loob. Ay na, wala. Another offensive rebound. Oy! Nabitawan. Last touch. Substitution of players of our team coming in. Ayan ang first unit ng ating De La Salle Isabel. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Almeida. To number 7. Gets that 3, no good. Rebound by Almeida. Pass to number 67. And last touch. From the corner. Maddox for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Almeida. Jake is enjoying the game then para sa team. But all of them. Almeida with the steal. Aceveda to number 11. Aceveda from the corner. Oh, good. Number 11 to number 1, 4-3. No good. Number 67 to Maddox. Oh, sorry. No. Basket is good by Ramirez. Steal by Almeida. Pass to Aceveda. Oh, what a pass to Ramirez. Finding open man. Ni Aceveda. (42-11). Get the shot, too strong. Rebound by number 67. Pass to Almeida. Aceveda. 2 against 2. Aceveda with the first layup, no good. Rebound dito ng CSA. Steal by Jake. Outlet pass. Ramirez. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds. Official time na tayo. Let's go. Step back three. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Number 11. Floater short. Out of bounds. Bola dito natin Dela Salzabel. Bad pass. Steal by number 1. Pass number 28. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Gets the putback. Ramirez setting on the play to Maddox sa loob, number 67. Umali. Kaya na ang double team. Steal by Jake to Aceveda to Ramirez. Ramirez setting on the play. Last 13 seconds. Nagay sa corner. Maddox for 3. No good. Rebound by Almeida. Pass to Aceveda. Step back 3. No good. Rebound. Maddox. Hey! And that's the end of our first half. Sayang, di masa ang tira ni Umali. Official score is 44-14. Babalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. to the ball game. Third quarter po tayo.
Inbound. Inbound.
Oh, steal. Puno. Knocks it down. Oh, see, steal. There we go. Number 12. Number 11. Steal by Marcus. Marcus, and there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 3. Marquez. First shot para kay Marquez. No good. Second shot, no good. Rebound, number 28. Puno. Nice pass. And one. Basket count and one. Hindi mabasa. Loko. Baka magkamali ako ng banggitin eh. Basta basket count and one by jersey number 8. Time remaining almost 9 minutes. Number 8 gets a 3-point play. 51-14. Number 10. Steal again by number 28. Pass to Marquez. Marquez. Number 8, what a strong drive. 53-14. Steal again. Number 28, no good. Rebound. Number 12, wala. Rebound again by number 28. Pass to number 8 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound. Steal. Naka-recover sa number 18. Steal by number 12. Ayan na, nagagawa. Naka-recover. Number 8. Kick out to Puno. 4-3. No good. Another offensive rebound para sa Lasal. Basket is good by jersey number 8. 55-14. Ayan na, trapping defense. Ayan, nakatawid. Number 28. Low pickup. No good. Rebound by number 12. Ayan na ang Lasal. Number 12 to number 8. Kick out. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 12. Using the board. Basket is good. 57-14. Steal. Bounce pass to number 3. That is Marquez. Timeout. CSA. Official score 59-14. The time remaining 7 minutes and 1 seconds. Back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Official score 59-14. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 1 second sa ating third quarter. CSA basketball. Oh, naka-recover number 28. Fake using the board, wala. Rebound natin Lasal. Number 12. Oh, what a cross! What a nice shot by jersey number 12. Ayan na. Number 28. Bad pass. Oopsie. De La Salle Zobel basketball. Marquez. Puno. That's a traveling. Colegio San Agustin basketball. Number 1 to number 10. Kick out. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound by number 19. To number 1. Pass to number 10. Oh, steal by jersey number 8. Ay na ang Lasal. Outlet pass. Uy. Hindi ka na makarecover. Bola rito ng Colegio San Agustin. Number 11. Steal by number 28. Pass to Puno. Solano. To number 8. Pass to number 28. Catch and shoot. Too strong. Rebound by number 10. Oh, steal ng Lasal. What an extra pass. Puno for a shot. Basket is good. 63-14. Biggest lead of the game ng ating team. Out of bounds. CSA basketball. Floater basket. From the corner, 3, too strong. Ay, yan na. Floater, no good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11, all the way, basket. Handoff. Gets the 3, too strong. 24-second shot clock violation. Wala ng CSA. Time out. Official score 63-18. Back to the ball game. Out of bounds. Number 3. From the corner, too strong. Rebound by number 34. Bad pass.
6 seconds. 6.
Time out again. Ang De La Salle Sobel. Time remaining 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Let's go, back to the ball game. Top of the key, number 13. No! Yes, sir. By jersey number 30. 3 points. Ay ng CSA. Number 11, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Payumali. Number 30. Pass to Mali. Pass number 3 to Cruz. Top of the key. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Number 1. Ay na, number 1 and 1. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 1. On the shot by Aspect. No good. Rebound by number 34. Number 14. Number 34. Hand off to Cruz. Pass number 30. Binigay sa corner. Floater. No good. Rebound ng CSA. Number 1. There is a foul. And the free throw area. Jersey number 1. Asprek. First shot is good by Asprek. Wala. Sibang by number 34. Cruz. Pass number 30 from elbow. No good. Rebound by number 1. To number 28. Nakalusot. 66-23. Number 3, 30. To Omali. What a nice shot by Omali. Ganda ng footwork doon. Ayan na. Number 11, bounce pass. Uy, nakabawi si number 11. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score 68-25. Tako tayo sa ating fourth and last quarter. Let's go, Lasal! Back to the ball game, fourth quarter tayo. Number 30 for 3. 2 points lang daw po, sabi natin referee. Out of bounds. De La Salle Zobel basketball. Cruz. Number 67. Oh, pass to number 30. Pinasa loob. Oh, too strong. Number 1. Asbreak, no good. Number 11 with the putback. 27-70. Number 31, pass to number 30. Block. Pass. Nasa corner. Basket is good. 72-27. Oh, still number 67. Ayan na naman si number 30. Block there by number 28. Naka-recover si number 11. Ayan na, tumatakbo ang CSA. Dire-diretso. Wala. Makuha number 19, yun lang. Rebound by number 34. Pass to Cruz, steal by number 1. Step back 3. Hoy! Nakatira doon ng 3. O, 2 points lang daw, sabi ng ating official. 29-72. Number 67. Nag-aagawan. Naka-recover. Block there. Pass. And that's a 24-second shot. Block violation. Time out. CSA. Yan natin, hadal ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Official score 29-72. Time remaining 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Number 28, short. Out of bounds. Uy, nakalusot si number 1. Cruz. Kick out sa dulo. Floater basket. 74-31. Running shot, no good. Number 11, wala. Wala pa rin. Number 11 using the board basket. 33-74. Number 31. Gets a 3 basket. There's a foul. Bola rito ng CSA. 36-74. Number 80 in short. Rebound by Solano. Ramirez. Ayan na. Wala. Offensive rebound. Number 34. Wala pa rin. Oy! Good hustle by Aaron. Number 28, pass to number 1. To number 11. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Solano. Pass to Ramirez. Ramirez setting on the play. Pass to Solano. To number 3, Marquez. Wala. Rebound again by Marquez. Pass to Solano from 3. No good. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng CSA. Number 28. Pass number 11. Floater short. Steal by Solano. But there's a foul. Marquez, no good. Rebound by number 28. Pass to Marquez. Back to number 28. Fork 3, wala. Ramirez. To number 34, short. Arik over. Floater, wala. And a 24-second shot clock violation. Number 28, basket. Hand off. Number 12, basket. See. CSA basketball. Pass break. Last 57 seconds. CSA basketball. Number 11, steal. Ay na si Marquez. Marquez, short. Rebound by number 1. Outlet pass. Number 11. Basket is good. 40-76. Ramirez. Cargo over. Steal by number 1. Number 1, derecho by Asprek. Basket is good. Ayun na, inuubos na lamang ang oras. Last 16 seconds. Ramirez. Pass to Solano sa loob. Number 34, step back 2. Wala. 3, 2, and 1. Final score po natin, 76-42, and a nice game para sa Colegio de San Agustin. And congratulations to our De La Salle Zobel. This is the 2014, 13 rather. Okay, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. At magkita-kita po tayo to our next live. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Maraming salamat po to all the parents of De La Salle Zobel. Ayan, maraming pong salamat po for this opportunity. Congrats mga idol.